Hi guys! More cool gadgets for you. And you can buy these on Amazon or eBay. Let's get started. This is a 6-in-1 barbecue tool. It is easy to use. Handles are fixed by liner, lock. One safe lock controls 3 parts to keep firm and safe. And can be separated freely. It is a great gift for barbecue lovers. This is a very compact barbecue tool, only 11.2 by 2.7 by 1.2 inches in size. This is a must-have tool for a perfect barbecue. This barbecue multi-tool can function as a barbecue tong, knife, spatula, fork, wine and bottle opener. It is made of high-quality durable food-grade stainless steel. This coat-free barbecue tool is totally safe to your health. Its size make it very portable. Perfect for camping, outdoor travel, cookout, backyard lawns, patios, grilling, picnics, party, tailgating and so on. Easy to clean and durable. You can buy it on Amazon for around $26.99. This is a GoBQ portable charcoal grill. It comes with the backpack style bag in 2 colors, black and red. The bag itself is made from fire or flame resistant material. You can even carry it in a large size backpack. It weighs around 4 kilograms, and it is very easy to set up. It can fit enough food on the 14 by 14 inches grill. Perfect for tailgating, beach, travel, boating, fishing, hiking, hunting, biking, RVs, college students, urbanites, and gifting, and any other place you can think. It is a must-have portable grill for any quick barbecue with family or friends. You can buy this on Amazon for around $149.95. This is a Gululu Smart Water Bottle and Health Tracker for Kids. This is a great way to encourage your kids to drink water, keep them hydrated, enhancing mood, better sleep, cognition, and concentration. This water bottle is for kids 3+ years of age. The way it works is that your child choose their favorite whimsical pet to embark on a journey of health and learning. Your child will have a goal set to keep their pet healthy by drinking the recommended amount of water every day. Also, using it every day for drinking water will open more new adventures for your child and make drinking water an interesting game. Your child can interact with his or her friends via the Gululu app and play, track stats, add more friends, and stay connected. Also, your child's drinking information is also uploaded to the app, and you can monitor and see how much water your child is drinking every day. The water bottle has inbuilt sensors, which monitors the amount of water your child is drinking, and also their everyday pattern of drinking water. And to keep your kids focused in school, you can set to school mode. And water intake will still be recorded, without disturbing your kids. It is made from 100% BPA-free material. And it is durable, safe, waterproof, spill-proof, easy to clean water bottle. The bottle has a speaker, which allow your child to speak to the pet, making drinking water more fun. It is a different way to encourage your child to drink water for better health. You can buy this on Amazon for around $89. This is Soopii Quick Charge 3.0, 60 watts, 6-port USB charging station. It comes with 4 lightning cables for Apple devices, 1 micro USB cable, and 1 Type-C cable. It is a nice looking, solid, hard-wearing matte finish premium charging station. It comes with light blue LED, and space gray silica gel strips for firm grip. Perfect for all your everyday use USB charged devices. It comes with 7 sturdy, removable baffles, which can be easily removed and installed to adjust the width on the charging station. It is perfect for all smartphones and tablets. The blue color LED guides you when the devices are 100% charged. It will stop glowing once all devices are charged 100%, and you can turn off the charging dock. It is a perfect way to clear all the wire clutter. This charging dock is a perfect gadget for home. You can buy this charging dock on Amazon for around $37.99 sale price. This is a Sabo Doorstop security alarm, and is very easy to install. This door stopper is a perfect secure way to make sure you wake up from sleep if anyone tries to break in, or for a dorm when you are away. Its size make it very portable, and you can carry in your luggage when you are traveling. This stopper is only for the doors which open inwards. When it is activated during the force opening, it makes enough noise of 120 dB that you will hear it up to 1,000 feet distance. And you can call emergency services. Also, whoever is trying to do force entry will hear this loud sound, and most probably will run off. This alarm doesn't need any wires, and runs on 19V battery. When the battery is low, it will give you low battery indicator. You can buy this on Amazon for around $9.16. This is a Corkcicle, very practical bottle cap opener. It is easy to use for opening beer, soda or any bottle with a cap. One firm push and the cap is separated from the bottle. Its magnetic feature holds the cap in place. It is made from durable stainless steel. It is perfect gadget for any bar, at home or business. You can buy this on Amazon for around $19.95. This is an indoor electric stainless steel s'mores maker. Who doesn't like s'mores? This is a nice s'mores maker, with 4 large-sized trays, which you can fill with your favorite cookies or chocolate, to eat along with marshmallows. It also comes with 2 stainless steel forks, which you can use to roast marshmallows. The inbuilt flameless electric heater lets you cook marshmallows nicely with perfection, and then mix it with the cookies or whatever you like, and enjoy the s'mores at your home, all year long. It is perfect for a family fun time or any get-together at home. You can buy this cool gadget on Amazon for around $19.99 on sale price. This is a drill brush bathroom power scrubber kit. It is perfect for tub, shower, tile, grout, sinks, shower door glass, tracks or enclosures, or any other place you can think of. This kit comes with medium stiffness nylon power brushes of 3 different sizes and shapes that will attach to your favorite cordless drill. You can even clean the doormat quickly and easily. Perfect must-have cleaning gadget. Please note, this kit doesn't come with drill. You can buy it on Amazon for around $15.95. This is the end of the video, and please provide your feedback about the video, and for more videos hit subscribe button. Thank you for watching.